how to hard reset the Anker Soundcore 2 Bluetooth speaker. Now, if you're having pairing issues or anything like that, what you want to do is, with the Anker Soundcore 2 Bluetooth speaker turned on, is press and hold both the volume up button and the play pause buttons, both at the same time. You want to hold these down for around 10 seconds. The Bluetooth light will turn off and the power button will turn red, and your Bluetooth speaker will play an audio noise and then soon turn off. Then you can try turning it back on, and this will have reset it for you, and then you should try and pair any devices again, and hopefully that will sort out any pairing issues you're having.